Next question we are having integration for 1 to 3 x upon x square plus 1 dx. Now we can write this as let x square plus 1 is equal to t, 2x dx is equal to dt, x dx is equal to dt upon 2 by differentiating. Now the question becomes 1 to 3, 1 upon 2 dt upon t, and this is equal to 1 upon 2 log t 1 to 3, or 1 upon 2 log mod of t. Log mod of t is x square plus 1. Now log 3 square plus 1 minus log 1 square plus 1. 1 upon 2 log 10 minus log 2. Half log 10 upon 2 half log 5. Or we can write it log root 5. Both are answers. Answer.